Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about very important entry questions regarding WebLogic Server entry questions and answers. So, who are looking for WebLogic admin jobs? So, these questions and answers will help to clear your technical round. So, the first question will be what is WebLogic and what does it do? WebLogic Server is based on Java Enterprise Edition and it is a standard platform used to create Java-based multi-tier enterprise applications. J2E platform technologies were developed through the efforts of BEA Systems and other vendors in collaboration with the main developer Sun Microsystems. The next question is WebLogic web server? In order to run EJB or host enterprise Java applications files, you need an application server like JBoss, WebLogic, WebSphere, or Glassfish. While you can still run your servlet and JSP or Java web applications file inside any web server like Tomcat or Jetty. The next question is, what is an admin server in WebLogic? A domain is a logically related group of WebLogic server resources that you manage as a unit. A domain always includes only one instance of WebLogic server called the administration server. A domain may also include additional WebLogic server instances called managed servers. The next question will be, what is the use of Node Manager in WebLogic? Node Manager is a Java utility that runs as a separate process from WebLogic Server and allows you to perform common operations tasks for a managed server, regardless of its location with respect to its administration server. The next question will be, what is the use of cluster in WebLogic? A WebLogic server cluster consists of multiple WebLogic server instances running simultaneously and working together to provide increased scalability and reliability. The next question, what is the use of Node Manager in WebLogic? Server instances in a WebLogic server production environment are often distributed across multiple domains, machines, and geographic locations. Node Manager is a WebLogic server utility that enables you to start, shut down, and restart administration server and manage server instances from a remote location. The next question will be, what is the domain in WebLogic? A domain is an interrelated set of WebLogic server resources managed as a unit. A domain includes one or more administration servers and managed servers. Various clients use the administration server to configure the system. The managed server is used to run actual applications. The next question will be, what is the use of domain in WebLogic server? Domains include a special Oracle WebLogic server instance called the administration server, which is the central point from which you configure and manage all resources in the domain. Usually, you configure a domain to include additional Oracle WebLogic server instances called managed servers. The next question will be, what are the contents of a domain? The domain in a production environment that contains an administration server, three standalone managed servers, and a cluster of three managed servers. The next question is, What is administration server? The administration server operates as the central control entity for the configuration of the entire domain. It maintains the domain's configuration documents and distributes changes in the configuration documents to manager servers. You can also use the administration server as a central location from which to monitor all resources in your domain. The next question is very important one and frequently asked one. What happens if the administration server fails? The failure of an administration server does not affect the operation of manager servers in the domain, but it does prevent you from changing the domain's configuration. If an administration server fails because of hardware or software failure on its host machine, other server instances on the same mission may be similarly affected. However, the failure of an administration server itself does not interrupt the operation of manager servers in the domain. The next question will be, what is manager server? Manager servers host business applications, application components, web services, and their associated resources. To optimize performance, manager servers maintain a read-only copy of the domain's configuration document. When a manager server starts up, it connects to the domain administration server to synchronize its configuration document with the document that the administration server maintains. The next question will be, what are the manager server clusters? For production environments that require increased application performance throughout or high availability, you can configure two or more manager servers to operate as a cluster. Here, cluster means it is a collection of multiple Oracle WebLogic Servers instances running simultaneously and working together to provide increased scalability and reliability. The next question is, what are the resources and services? In addition to the administration server and manager server, a domain also contains the resources and services that managed servers and deployed applications require. The next question is, what resources can managed servers use? Managed servers can use the following resources. Mission definitions that identify a particular physical piece of hardware. A mission definition is used to associate a computer with the managed server its host. Network channels that define default ports, protocols, and protocol settings that a managed server uses to communicate with clients. After creating a network channel, you can assign it to any number of managed servers and clusters in the domain. The last one is virtual hosting, which defines a set of host names to which Oracle WebLogic Server instances or clusters respond. When you use virtual hosting, you use DNS to specify one or more host names that map to the IP address of server or cluster. So that's all, friends. So these are the basic and advanced WebLogic Server entry questions and answers. So thank you for watching.